Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can uninstall any software from your Windows PC, and yes, you can do it on Windows 8, 7, 8, 10 and 11. So I'm going to show you two ways how you can do it. So without any delay, let's start the video. The first way is click the start button here and you can see all of your software here. The software that you want to install, just right click that software, and as you can see the option on install here, all you have to do is just click that install option. This is one way, and there is another way. I'm going to show you that too. Just type here control panel, just type control panel on your search bar and click here, and you can see the option program here, install a program. Just click that install a program option. And as you can see, all of my software are listed here. If I want to uninstall this software code block, just right click, just click that software, and you can see the option uninstall here. Just click uninstall here, and your software will be installed in this way. Now all you have to do is click this yes option, and your software will be installed from your laptop. The preferred way after uninstalling a software is to restart